Let's read out this question. 2 point charges A and B are placed on x-axis. Okay, this is A, this is B. Considering electric field is positive if directed in the positive x direction. Alright, so we can see in this diagram that E is along the y-axis, has been shown along the y-axis. So what this question is saying is that at a particular point, if the electric field is directed towards right, we will call that as a positive E. Alright, so this is the convention that the question is declaring. Variation of electric field strength with distance x is shown in figure for x lying between the charges. Alright, so we are given the variation of the electric field for the region which is between the two charges. Then the nature of charges A and B are respectively. Alright, so what do? Let's first focus in the vicinity of charge A. So suppose I am somewhere here, very close to charge A. Let's call this as point P. So from the diagram I can easily see that electric field at point P, since it is positive, therefore must be towards right. Now in the vicinity of A, the electric field due to A will dominate, because the separation between A and P will be very small. So that term will dominate, which is due to charge A. That means charge A is definitely a positive charge, since due to positive charges electric field emanate from them. So they go out, they do not go in. Alright. So since electric field at this point is towards right, that can only happen when this charge is positive, because only then the electric field will be pointing away from A. So what do we conclude? That A is definitely positive. Alright. Now let's move on to B. Let's choose a point in the vicinity. Let's call this as P dash. Now I can clearly see that EP dash is directed again towards right, since here also electric field is coming out to be positive, 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 since the graph is above the x-axis. That means here also the electric field is directed towards right, like so. Now at P dash, electric field due to B will dominate. That means this electric field is pointing towards B. Hence B is negatively charged. So we can see that A is positive and B is negative. Okay. So for this question, which option is coming out to be correct? That is option 3. Thank you.